Hi, I'm Pauline Chia from Home Connections. Today, I'm going to show you a cozy renovated 4-room Model A, 990 square feet, 7 years old only with 6 units per level. Let's take a look at the nearby amenities you have within the area. Situated right next to Anchorvale Isles, you will find a bevy of healthcare facilities available to you at Sengkang General Hospital. Campus One Mall is just a 7-minute walk. Your one-stop shop that gives you access to your basic necessities that includes cold storage for your groceries and a multitude of food choices to satisfy your cravings. For transport, the nearest LRT station is just about 5 minutes away. And as mentioned from earlier, next to Campus One Mall is the Northeast Line Sengkang Station. For schools, you have Springdale Primary, Nan Chiao Primary, and Compassville Primary all within 1 kilometer proximity of Anchorvale Isles. This young three-bedder will be suitable for your family, well-maintained and 100% ready to move into. Connect with me, Pauline. I'll be happy to share more details with you.